Hi friends, I'm Niku, and today I am on a mission to clean our planet and space. We need to take care of our home, and that includes space where astronauts live. Right, Skippy?
Ooh. Yes, yes. Skippy loves clean places, clean space, clean planet. Yay.
Even space, that's far, Nico.
Of course, Whisker. Space can get dirty too. Astronauts might leave behind some trash up there, and we can't let that happen. We are almost at the space station. Time to pick up the trash. We need to keep it as clean as our Earth.
Ooh. Skippy will swing around the space station and help. Let's go.
I prefer cleaning with my paws on the ground.
Look at all this space junk. Let's gather it up and recycle it when we get back to Earth.
Skippy has found so much. What will we make from it, Niku?
Wait until we get home, Skippy. We'll turn this trash into toys. Yay, recycling! Let's see what cool toys we can make from this old space trash.
Ooh. Skippy loves toys. Look, a new spaceship toy.
These toys are perfect.
See, friends? We cleaned up space and turned trash into treasure. We can all help keep our planet and even space clean. Just remember to recycle and use your imagination. Thanks for joining our adventure today. Don't forget, you can be a hero by recycling and keeping our planet clean too. See you in the next adventure.
Bye-bye. See you next time.
Bye-bye. See you next time.